taken care of. Uncle Vito's carpets and cleaning says, don't worry about it. No matter...
The hunger for the next big thing forced new artists to expand their horizons. You could say that it all went the way of folk or prog. It's all about the free market, right?
Yeah. Hey, you don't want to punish me for not understanding the free market, do you?
God damn it! I'm a DJ now, do you hear me, worm? Now say you're sorry, or I'll beat you until you're seeing double.
Oh, yes, mistress. Sorry, mistress.
If you want to call me and talk about rock music, then do it. But if not, stay off my phone. This next cut is for all the badasses out there. It's Tough Guy by Cell Dweller, here on The Night, 87.8.